All right, we're checking the waterproof again. Rain, rain, rain. We don't have rain, but we can make rain. As you can see, the CARDO PACLTALK, they're both there. All right, that's enough rain. All right, let me clean them up a little bit. Sorry about that. Come on, baby. Put them on the table. Okay. Ground. Okay, put them here for now. Right. Put the GoPro here. Let's see here. This one is on. Green, DMC. And on DMC. Connected. Let's see if it works. Let me open the helmet. Works fine. You hear it? Good. So I have used them in rain. I know. I just want to do this for the video, but they're definitely waterproof. Okay, and I love that. I don't have to water in the rain. All right. See you guys in a minute. Let's see how much water it's gonna go inside. All right. It's raining. So let me get rid of my cart. All right. A lot of rain. Lot of rain. A lot of rain. Well, we have used them in the rain, but I haven't felt anything inside. I just want to see if it's sour on top of them. Looks fine to me. Let's see the other one. That's the Econoline. Okay, let's open this one. Completely dry. Completely dry. Okay, good. So let's see if they're waterproof for real. Yes, you hear it? Okay, working fine. All right, let's turn them off. All right.